Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to give surface finish symbol to the FreeCAD drawing. You can also visit my website macnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my free CAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the free CAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. In our previous tutorial we have learned about how to give GD&T to the FreeCAD drawings, and if you see this drawing, this face having the flatness, and this front face and back face is a mating face, so that this face to be machined, as I have considered that this part is a very critical, and other part going to be assembled on its front side and back side. That's why this face to be get machined. If you have a work on mechanical components, then you will have the understanding about the surface finish. If you have not, then I can give you the brief introduction about the surface finish. So as this front and back side plate going to be machined, so you can see here rough machining having the one triangle, and its value is varies from N10 to N12, and here is a value in RA, that is RA 12.5, 25 or 50, and here is in the inches. So if you are working on inches drawing, then you follow this value. So if we see from this table, so we are going to give the smooth machining, that is the two triangle, and its value in RA is 1.6, 3.2 or 6.3. so I am going to here give medium machining, which is a 6.3. So how to give the surface finish to the faces in FreeCAD? In softwares like SolidWorks or Autodesk Inventor, it is very easy to give the surface finish symbol. In FreeCAD, it is not a very straight way, but I hope in upcoming release of a FreeCAD it will be get more easier. Now to give the surface finish, select the view and click on this create a surface finish symbol, and here 6.3 machining is a material removal process. So we will click on here third option, material remover required, and from here I will select the value RA 6.3 and click on OK. So now surface finish symbol has been inserted. Now we have to attach this surface finish symbol to the edge, so we have to rotate our symbol. So once you click on the surface finish symbol, so you will get here the option of angle. So I will give here 90 degree. So you can see that my symbol has been rotated. Now I will attach to the face. Now I wanted to attach one more symbol on the other side, so I will again select my view and click on the surface symbol, select the third option, method is ISO, and I will select RA 6.3, click on the OK. Now here I will again change the angle, and this time I will give -90. Now I will attach to the face. So here is a boundary of the surface finish symbol, so we will click on turn off view frame and I will move it. I will attach it to the bottom side and this I will attach to the top side and I will off the frame. So you can see that we have applied surface finish symbol to the both the faces to our part. So this is how to apply the surface finish symbol in a FreeCAD drawing. This is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching.